Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, November 3rd. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ESNENQ. So we have non-farm payroll coming out in about 10 minutes. Apple earnings came out last night. They're down. Again, they've been down on the monthly now for 2-3 months. Their weekly is in balance. Their daily is in balance. So nothing dramatic with Apple right now. We've been trading. Look, this market has had a great run for 4 days. We're trading the upper distribution still, right? So we had a double distribution. We had a triple distribution yesterday in ES. We're in the upper distribution right now with a wide 17 wide POC. I think buyers have to be fairly happy with that as of now. We'll see if it changes at 8:30. NQ, on the other hand, they had a double distribution. The majority of the overnight has been in the lower distribution, but towards the upper end of it. They haven't even come close, like to testing yesterday's low. And that's the bear's first goal, right? The bear's first goal is to take out a daily low to bring the daily back into balance. Otherwise, bulls are still firmly in control. Righty, on the other hand, after taking a while to take out an IB, and then they finally went trend and had a nice price probe. Look at them. Looking to possibly gap higher again this morning. Remember, we all had significant gaps yesterday. That held. So, game plan for this morning, again, things will probably change at 8:30. We do have a price vacuum above us. We've been talking about that. So if we get the daily high, there's nothing until, I believe, 66 and change in ES, right? Same with SPY. The upward destination is kind of far away. So that's what the algos would be searching, right? And then maybe we go and test the 50-day moving average. On the flip side, if the non-farm payroll attempts to push this market lower, we'll see what distribution we get into, right? Having a consolidation day inside of yesterday, there's nothing wrong with that at all, right? I said we'd rather get some consolidation, right, and come into balance on the daily before trying to make more inroads to the upside. So I wouldn't have a problem with that. So to give you what I would do early here, it's probably going to change. If the overnight high stays here, well, then that's a great risk reward short because it's right against the base of the price probe, right? Where there were buyers yesterday, they're not there. So if the overnight high is at this point at 9:30, it's a good risk reward short. You're out above the day's high. If the overnight low is here, that's a great risk reward long against the lower end of the upper distribution. Right? Those are two really early plays, which are going to probably change. For $1 a day, you'll be getting this for 6.5 hours a day on the mic. Okay? Now, tonight we will recap all of these charts from top down. I'm just going to show you the daily for now. Very, very impressive run for 4 days by the bulls. Possibly getting stretched out on the shorter time frame, the daily. Certainly not on the weekly. The weekly just came into balance, and the monthly's still down. So the longer time frames are not even close to being stretched out. They can't be, right? Daily possibly is. So the question today is, will we attempt to get to the 50-day moving average, which is $3 above us, or back down to the 20-day moving average, which is $4 below us? Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.